What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Pepe fam, I'm back with another video for you guys. It's about to get crazy for Pepe. Next week, going into Monday, Tuesday, and the rest of this week, guys, is going to be huge, potentially. Now, I could be wrong, but there's a lot of things that are, leading towards a super bullish market. And a lot of technical analysts also think, it could be a huge week for Pepe ahead. So we're going to dive into it, man. I'm telling you guys, this is one of those memes you do not fade. I really do believe Pepe is going to be the next Sheeb/Doge for the next bull market. It will have one of the highest ROIs. It may go all the way up to $100 billion in market cap from the market cap it is right now. We saw it go to 1.7 billion market cap in 2 weeks. It'd be like, you wouldn't would you really be thinking to fade Pepe, right? Would you, what would be your thought process to fade this, a project that went to 1.7 billion market cap in 2 weeks? There's no more whales that could dump the chart. There's no team tokens, there's no venture capitalists, fully decentralized, nobody owns it, it's just community run. I'm telling you guys, overall, and it's a new project, so a lot of Doge and Shiba, for example, a lot of people are still underwater from that last Doge and Shiba run. They're still underwater right now, so when they start to pump, you're gonna see sell-offs super fast. Whereas with Pepe, people aren't really that much underwater, right? Now there are people that are, but it's still a brand new shiny project, and the crypto space loves brand new projects, right? They love the shiny new projects the most, right? So whenever Pepe gets back to 1 bill, which is super close, it's gonna get back to its all-time high, and then just like that, all the people in Pepe right now will be in profit, right? Or back to break even, the people that got in at the all-time high of 1.7 billion. It's not that difficult for it to do. We saw what it did in those 2 weeks of huge hype, right? So we're gonna dive into it, guys. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, make this video go viral, blow it up. I want to see all the Pepe holders like, share, subscribe, share this out to your friends and family, so we could get more and more people interested. When they open YouTube, they see this Pepe video, they're like, what's Pepe? The same way it happened with Sheeb in the last cycle, where videos of Shiba would pop up on your timeline on YouTube. The first thing you saw was Shiba. So let's do the same thing for Pepe with this, guys, and go support my previous Pepe videos. Get this one to 10,000 views. And when we take a look at Pepe right now, we see it's at a $621 million in market cap. Again, not that far away from its all-time high, guys. It's really not. Look at how close it is to its all-time high. So a lot of people in Pepe aren't underwater right now. A lot of them are in profit or getting close to break even, right? So there's not much selling going on, because when a project completely dumps down, people panic sell and they get super underwater, minus 99%. It's not the same with Pepe because it's a brand new project, right? $621 million in market cap, 280 million in 24-hour trade volume. Right now, Pepe has more volume than Doge at a $10 billion market cap, 9.3 billion. Pepe has more volume than Doge, right? And clearly more volume than Shiba with 100 million in $100 million in volume on the 24-hour mark, right? Pepe has $280 million in 24-hour trade volume. That is absolutely insane. And every time you check CMC, you see Pepe right here. I really think CZ, because y'all already know Binance is the owner of CoinMarketCap right now, so they own CoinMarketCap now, is what I'm saying, right? So I really think CZ has Pepe as the first. Whenever you hit search up here, the first thing you always see is Pepe. That's the first thing you always see, and I think that is being done on purpose, guys. I think CZ is doing it on purpose, because whenever new investors or just investors in general come into the space, they're gonna see that and be like, maybe I should grab a bag of Pepe. You know, subliminal marketing, right? Subliminal messaging, right? So again, I really do believe 100x for Pepe is on the cards. I'm on compare market cap. Let's show you. Let me show you guys a little something real quick. Let's go Pepe with the market cap of SHIB. How much is that from here, right? Let's compare. That is a 6.8x, just like that, right? And then Pepe with the market cap of Doge, right? I think I have to re-enter it. Compare, and that is a 14x, right? From here. Crazy stuff, man. But this is the thing. If we're going with like their all-time highs, because Shiba's all-time highs around like 50 billion or so, right? Then we compare. Look at this. SHIB all-time high, 61x to Shiba's all-time high, right? 61x from here. And you can't rule out these numbers, man, because we saw what Pepe did, man. Everyone in the crypto space was talking. I was in, you know, altcoins, some great altcoins, and I was in the Telegram groups, you know, just checking my charts for my altcoins, and everyone was talking about Pepe, like, why is Pepe pumping and our altcoins aren't pumping, right? That's why I said you can't really fade this one. And look at that, for it to get to Doge's all-time high, that's a 132x from here. And again, I wouldn't rule it out, man. I wouldn't rule out these type of possibilities. This is listed on Binance, man. Pepe is listed on Binance, KuCoin, Kraken, and eventually the Coinbase listing will fall into play, man. You know, Brian Armstrong is gonna see the volume, especially when we get into a bull market, when there's a ton of new money coming into the space. Plus we're gonna get institutional and stock market money potentially next week, right? And that's just gonna be the you know, like baby steps. It's gonna get crazy, guys. 334k followers on Twitter. There's no second best meme coin asset, $Pepe. You know, Pepe being the #1 meme coin asset, that's gonna be great. If you got a bag, that's gonna be great, man. Fugazi, Pepe take off next week, and like I said, a lot of people are expecting to take off next week because it does fall in line with the potential leverage. Not even potential, it's gonna happen, right? It's already confirmed. The leverage Bitcoin ETF goes live on Tuesday next week, right? You know, the weekends are always kind of slow because the stock market is closed, but going into Tuesday, whenever that leverage ETF is finally open, that's gonna be the first time stock market institutional money can get their hands on Bitcoin through the stock market, right? So that's gonna be a huge day in my opinion, and we could see a breakout. We may see a breakout for Bitcoin. I'm gonna show you guys a chart real quick with that, but we're gonna see a breakout for Bitcoin right here to the 34k mark, you know, with it going to that 36k mark, guys. I'm telling you, Pepe is gonna follow. Let's go to the 7-day. You see that? Pepe is literally following the Bitcoin chart, guys. So when Bitcoin starts making another leg up, Pepe is gonna be right behind it, man. Don't fade these moves. The base 8, Pepe is right on track. Healthy, small, retracing, consolidation. Next move up will be wild. You see that? I'm telling you, that just may be next week. So now would be a time to grab some Pepe. That may be next week, man. We're going into next week or a couple weeks from now, man. We're gonna see, man. It's either I'm right or I'm wrong. If I'm right, you know, give me my credit. If I'm wrong, call me out. I don't mind. Feeling ready for the next leg up. Look at this, man. A cool 10x. You know, that could potentially happen for Pepe from here, man. Things are super accelerated in the markets, man. From what I've seen, a lot of things are happening a lot quicker. You know, it took Shiba a super long time to get to $1 billion market cap. This time around, Pepe was able to do it because a lot more people know about crypto. So Pepe did it in 2 weeks. So it's for Pepe to get to Shiba's all-time high. It may happen way sooner than a lot of people are expecting. You know, for it to get to 30, 50 bill market cap. And I really think it's gonna do it. I really think that's gonna happen for Pepe, guys. We also have a video where BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says Bitcoin can evolve into a global market. We look at it as something that's real. So look at that. You know, the CEO of BlackRock, the company that owns everything, the 10 trillion, if not $15 trillion asset firm, who are applying for their spot Bitcoin ETF, you know, the CEO of it is now bullish on Bitcoin, and eventually he's going to be bullish on crypto. But even if he's just bullish on Bitcoin, and then, you know, let's say out of the 15 trillion, 500 million to $1 trillion flows into Bitcoin through BlackRock and their, you know, their asset funds. Think about where Bitcoin is going to go, right? And since Pepe is following the Bitcoin chart, think about where Pepe is going to go. Let me make sure the audio is on point for this, guys, so I could play it for you guys. Hold on. Make sure everything is A-OK. And let's take a look.
It can be, you know, we see these big giant movements every day. It's a thin market. And so can it evolve into a global market? Possibly. Certainly by evidence of the imagination of so many who want to learn about it or interested in about it, to me is a very telling sign. Another good example why understanding big data, like how many hits and all that, really is a defining statement. And so we look at it as something that is real, but it's still untested. It still has many, we have to go through many markets to see if it's going to be permanently real, or it's going to be a variant of that sometime in the future.
Things are getting super bullish, guys. Things are getting super bullish. Don't miss your chance, man. Don't miss your chance for a potential 100x from here with Pepe, guys. You can't fade, you know, what is happening in this space. This is the time to accumulate. Even if you obviously never invest more than you're willing to lose, but even if you just have some exposure to this meme coin over, you know, a lot of others, I'm telling you, you know, we saw what it did, how it ran to 1.7 billion. It could do the same thing to run to 50 to 100 billion. I wouldn't rule it out, guys. I really wouldn't. You can't rule out anything in crypto. If you hold Pepe, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Also, join my Patreon. In the Patreon, you get access to my buy alerts and sell alerts, guys. I'm telling you, the Patreon, I'm gonna give you guys as much alpha as I possibly can. I prefer my personally recommend my crypto elite tier, where you get my buy alerts right here and my sell alerts, access to the private Discord so we could talk to each other. Any new gems I see from altcoins, even meme coins, even though they're a bit more risky, I might be like, okay, this is a good one right here. Okay, so yeah, thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make this video go viral, 10,000 views, and I'll catch you in the next one.